70s was pretty heavy drug use. Hi, you might remember me from yesterday's video. If you do, why are you watching multiple of these? Hi, Sammy. What? Say hi to the camera, Sammy. Fine. Don't look away then. What are you staring at? Those are my shoes, yes? Oh, there he goes. Finally. Anyways, cats aside, still drinking my delicious hot cocoa and orange shine-sickle. Orange shine-ickle? Anyways, alcohol. Really good and tasty chocolate alcohol. But by the time I do my next recording, I'll be in Detroit. And I need an alcohol to take with me. Now, I can't take a giant thing with me, and also I'm out of giant things. So I thought, right now, I'll just decide on what I'm taking with me. So I have a D10 here. There are 5 rows here. Let's start with that. You can kind of see, there is my 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 alcohol that I get to suit. Now again, this is how I'm going to do it when I get back home. Is I pick 5, less random than this. I just pick 5, reach in, grab. It's now in a box. Of course, it's going to be in the fridge, so it's nice and cold. But anyways, then I pick 5, then I roll this D10, which will land on a number correlating to 1 to 5, because I have spaces 1 through 5 there. And then I drop this puck into spaces 1 through 5, and it lands through 1 through 5. That's how I randomly pick what I'm going to drink. We caught up? Good. Because I landed on 10, which is 5, which means it's this one. Look at that. That means I'm taking with me on an airplane. Can't drink it while on the airplane because of rules. I'll be taking this with me. The future me will tell you what this is. How's that for dramatic walk off?
Yeah, I just want to make sure that it fits. That's why I'm closing it.
No window. Okay. Hi, I'm the future of the last video. Anyways, still your past. So just sitting here with another Yule log burning in the background with Swanson drinking whiskey. Good man. Anyways, had this in the fridge, in a ice chest, in ice. So it's nice and cold because I've only been here for a little bit. So I needed it nice and cold. So we are looking at, what if I turn this light on? Ooh, that is bright. We are looking at ole.smoky sour watermelon. Very small text there. It is 20% alcohol by volume, 40 proof. There you go. So yeah, a lot of this stuff, a lot of the ole.smoky and a lot of these flavored stuff is going to be liqueur level stuff. This is 20, a little bit higher than your average 15% liqueurs, but you know, still not bad. Well, okay, again, standard liquor line, or spirit line as I call it, is 40%. That's your Jack, that's your Jose, that's your Smirnoff. That is your vodka, whiskey, tequila, standard run-of-the-mill level of alcohol is 40%, 80 proof. You knock down a little bit for flavor, like say Crown Apple, that's 35. You go a little bit further, so that's where Fireball is. The stuff I drink, which is called Catch Fire, so then whiskey, is 30%. So this is really only 10% more than that. But again, the further down you go, the more alcohol, the more flavor you get, the less alcohol. I have something in my fridge that is nearly 90% alcohol, stronger than rubbing alcohol. I ain't gonna drink it, might use it to start a fire, but not one inside my stomach. So let me find my shot glass, which I picked one of the plain ones from my whole roll of shot glasses. This used to be a beaver. I got this from, what is it? Anyways, I got this from Buc-ee's. Little tech station, just a small gas station that is bigger than most department stores. But anyways, they did have a shot glass, but one wash and it just came right off. So it's basically a generic shot glass. So let's get to pouring. Time to blast the light again. So first though, the smell. You know, the more I drink watermelon flavored stuff, I realize there is no scent of watermelon that's really strong. Because what I smell here, akin to rubbing alcohol, in that there's alcohol smell with a bit of watermelon smell in it. Again, nothing too strong presents itself. And again, it is very pale. So here's the pour. You can see there's almost just, ooh, that's to the top of the glass there. If you look at that, that is very close to pouring over. Yep, in Detroit, had to do a show today. Actually ate at Slow's. It's nice. It's a nice little barbecue place. Go there all the time. We also flew in. It's not bad weather, which is wonderful. Because when you hear sometimes, and I've been here once when it was -5 degrees, it's nice that there's no snow. It's just actually reasonably nice weather. So here's to pleasant surprises when you're not too optimistic. So cheers. Again, that is very, it looks pinker to you. Me, it just looks blank. Anyways, again, two pleasant surprises. Cheers. Ooh, pleasant surprise. That's good. Downside is I can't drink another one like I've been doing the last two. But anyways, quickly before I forget, it goes in, and there's kind of a, like this trip, a bit of hesitation. It's going to be Detroit. It's in winter. It's cold. Get there is actually reasonable. It's not bad. It's a sunny day. It hasn't snowed in a while. So as it goes in, there's hints of warmth, of alcohol. But as it goes in, almost like a realization that things are nice. Right in the middle, where inspiration hits, is actually taste of sweetness, of syrup. I want to say there was actual syrup in there. But again, that's one of those taste messing with your sense of touch. Like you think you taste something there, but it's not really. But anyways, before my battery runs out, that was, again, so you have that pleasant in the middle, creamy, sugary syrup taste of watermelon. Light flavored Jolly Rancher. So it's sugary sweet, not overly. Very good. And then again, as it almost gently goes down. So as you swallow, you're just left with this lovely, lovely smell of taste of sugary watermelon. Again, not sour. I don't really taste anything sour in there, but again, I don't know why they always add sour to it. Like there's sour cherry, sour watermelon. Just give me cherry. Just give me watermelon. But yeah, that was really good. Now, what would you mix that with? Plenty of stuff. Girlfriend, anyways, just don't know why. Just plenty. Anyways, literally any mixed drink, you could add sugary taste to this. I should be talking this side, not this side. Anyways, you should any sugary drinks. A mimosa or a mint julep. You could add this to it. Again, mint, watermelon, maybe a little bit of simple syrup. This might be sweet enough to replace the simple syrup. I'm trying to think what other watermelon, any drink that has watermelon juice, replace with this and you make it more alcoholic. Kind of like a dirty slut versus a redheaded slut. For those who don't know, redheaded slut is Jägermeister, peach schnapps, and cranberry juice. To make it a dirty slut, you need to take it home and defile it. But you can also just add peach schnapps. Cranberry liqueur instead of cranberry juice. Again, you're replacing the juice with more alcohol. So any watermelon themed drink replaced with this, you just add more alcohol while keeping a watermelon taste. Now, it's not going to be as sweet as watermelon juice, which usually adds apple juice or some kind of other sugary mixture to it, because again, watermelon doesn't have a lot of A, sugar, B, substance. So, that is, again, light Jolly Rancher syrupy taste. That's what this is. And again, mix it with, even if it's just this and say Sprite. Spot on. A little bit of mint julep, golden mojito. Also, again, this would work for any of those or any sugary drink. You could add this for just a little bit of a watermelon taste. Brilliant. I actually should get me a big one of these. Probably have more stuff to do with it than the Eggo one I had to start. Anyways, all that aside, I need to go to bed. Got to work tomorrow and then fly back home. And also I got to get some stuff organized to get these videos out. I am editing videos. Hey, how you doing, Ron? Behind Ron is my editing software that's actually kicking out this. I'm editing these in real time. Anyways, editing the second video for me. So hopefully I'll be back home and I'll have some free time. Actually, I got an office party to go to on Saturday. So all that aside, thanks again for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye. Don't give me that look. I can't be mad at you.